Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to factory reset AirPods and AirPods Pro. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to Bluetooth. Tap the More Info button next to your AirPods and select Forgot this device and confirm. Place your AirPods in the charging case and open the lid, then press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case for 15 seconds. Watch the front LED to flash amber and white. This will indicate your AirPods have been successfully reset. With the AirPods case open, bring it closer to your iPhone. A prompt card should appear on your screen. Just tap Connect. If the card doesn't appear, manually reconnect via Settings, Bluetooth, and your AirPods now is reset and ready to use. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.